210 minus 118. 0 is less than 8. We get 1 from next digit. The 0 becomes 10. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10, and 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. The 0 is less than 1. We get 1 from next digit, and 0 becomes 10. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Question number 2. 910 minus 361, and 0 is less than 1. We get 1 from next digit, and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, and 0 is less than 6. We get 1 from next digit, and 0 becomes 10. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Question number 3. 819 minus 621. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. And 1 is less than 2. We get 1 from next digit. And 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. And next digit 7. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Question number 4. 879 minus 868. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Eight is equal to 8, so 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Question number 5. 275 minus 122, and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Two minus 1 is equal to 1. Question number 6. 222 minus 117. 2 is less than 7. We get 1 from next digit. And 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. And 1 is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And 2 minus 1 is equal to 1.